Hello, everyone. It's Brian back here at CryptoLive at the rationalinvestor.co. Going to try really hard to do a 5-minute summary here for the YouTube Reddit audience. So here we go. This is our Crypto Live room. Of course, this is where we like to chat. We have our free Trading View chat room. If you want to pop in there and ask a question, feel free. We've got our Insight chat room, Oscar's brilliant crypto brain system working really nicely. And of course, you can follow my Twitter feeds if you want. Bigger picture, BTCE we're looking at here. I've got the little account on the PAM account going here. That's really the trading capital that I'm demonstrating the cloud course with, and of course it's on the MT4 and BTCE, so that's why I make reference to these levels. You can see bigger picture, we were at 300, dumped down, almost fell in half. Mr. Gann probably would expect something along those lines, not a big surprise. If the red box here, if institutions were going to short, and in Bitcoin land, of course, we call those whales, where are they most likely to do so? 61.8 to 78.6 fibs. That's what this red box is. And you'll notice that we have this line here is the horizontal support and resistance from the most recent fail point. So it does make sense that if we do get a rally up into this area, those that didn't short at this level here, because remember, institutions do not sell down markets, they sell up markets. If we do top out here and roll over, not a big surprise. So the point here is we dumped hard, and then the question is, if you were going to trade it, how do you trade to get back to this level? For site members, we have the Delacore index up and running now, and it's an excellent little tool to just sort of help me. If you're thinking, if you're long oriented, you're thinking we're going to work our way up to 250, then you can see you can use a little DI oversold windows as sort of hunting for your long entries. And that's just sort of what we've been doing all the way along here. This is the DI index over the 3 time frames that I like to follow. For site members, I post these charts basically once or twice a day so you guys can see. And all we really do is just basically wait for the thumbs on the indicator to all be pointing in the same direction. You can see yesterday they were not in the same direction, right? And then through the day, they eventually turned in the same direction. And so the moment that basically this turned positive here, I can justify taking long setups. We had a bot setup here that was in the making. Let's see if I can show you. There it is, where you had your original A-B move. And if this was a consolidation, we should expect C to D, right, which is up here. So how are you going to play it, right? Here's the 25% level. That's the entry. As I said, we wait for the DI to give us 3 green thumbs. Yes, it's okay on all time frames. And as we said too, the cumulative DI is bullish. Basically, at that point, it's just really just as simple of identifying support and resistance and pulling the trigger, right? There is the bot entry level, so we want to try and get in around there. And you can see nice little double bottom. And so my alarm woke me up at 2:44 Pacific time this morning. Thank you very much, Bitcoin. And I saw this. I confirmed at this point that we had 3 green thumbs. And you know, the basic premise is you just, if it's bullish, you just place your order at support or resistance, which this was a nice double bottom, and boom, I bought. The trade specifically, here it is. We had a target 248.25. That was the bull ABCD. You see, we sure got close here. And actually, I drew it on a couple other exchanges, and I was a little bit concerned that maybe, you know, we had actually hit this target. So long and short of it here is, and you'll see from my tweets, and that's why it's a good idea, just, you know, even if you're not a site member, just you can follow me on Twitter just to see what I'm doing. But the bot simply says that once we hit the 2/3 level, the 66 level, we got to start thinking about locking in profits. So basically, you know, that's what we did here. Was we had a nice little 15-minute double top, and so I said, if this thing fails at this 15-minute level, get me out. And sure enough, we're stopped out. So the net result, as you can see, nice little $12.54 profit for like a 10-hour trade. You know, not bad at all. I try to teach my students that I really want to see at least a 2-to-1 risk reward potential on the trade. And had we, gotten our fill at our target, then sure, that may have happened. As it turns out, we got 1.36. I mean, that's not the end of the world. Hey, a profit is a profit is a profit. And just as long as you can make sure your average winners are bigger than your average losers, which, this will by definition be, then I think on balance you can live with these results. So that's sort of what we've been doing here over the past day or so. I love posting these charts. Of course, if you want to learn, how to do this yourself, how to employ proper risk management, how to understand what all these indicators mean, how to execute trades properly and appropriately by working through a trading plan. We have our upcoming school coming up here. And we still have a couple more spots open. If you're interested, feel free to join us. And we'd love to add you to the team. So as you can hear, people clicking away, they're just chatting away in the room. So lots of activity here. We're all having a lot of fun. So I'll leave the video at that. Let's see how long that was. Talk to you guys soon. Bye for now.